Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video in this 2018 GMC Yukon SLT. The SLT is one of the upper trim levels of the GMC Yukon. This particular Yukon is also the XL, that's the extended length. Not only do you have 3 rows of seating, but there's tons of room in behind those rows. This particular one is colored Iridium Metallic is the name of the factory color. It's sort of a darker gray. See a nice alloy rim down there with your GMC emblem in the middle, mounted up with a Michelin Premier LTX, or excuse me, a Michelin Energy tire. All of your Yukon XL badging. You can see you got a nice running board running the full length behind both doors there. Right here you can see you do have the proximity unlock on all 4 doors. Continuing around the back. Once again, your Yukon XL badging there. Push the inside of this. It is a power gate release and a power gate. And with all 3 rows of seating are currently up, you can see how much room you have here in the back. There is a ton of space back here. It is power, the power 3rd row. So if you push these buttons, you can take the 3rd row of seating up and down, and fold that flat as well if you have a lot of cargo to put back here. Continuing around. Just look here on the driver's side mirror. You can see that you do have a blind spot alert sensor right here. That'll light up if there's a car in your blind spot, as well as the turn signals are integrated into your mirrors there. Let's just jump in here real quick. See, you do have a full power seat with a lumbar adjustment there on the seat. Over here on the door, you have all of your standard power windows and locks, as well as the button for your power folding mirrors and the programmable settings. You can actually have several profiles in your seats. So all you have to do is just push this button to switch between a first and a second driver, if you have more than one person driving this car. Right here, before we step in, you can see you do have the adjustable pedals, and as well as you can turn off your parking alerts, your lane departure alert, your 4-wheel drive selector here, the brightness for all of your instrumentation here. Let's just jump in. It is a push button start vehicle, so with the remote in the vehicle, just put your foot on the brake and hit the button. Right here you can see on the remote, it does have remote start, as well as the power gate is also controllable from the remote. Every car here does come with 2 keys. The second key for this is currently on order. It's a $180 value just to have a second key with this car. A lot of people don't realize that most key fobs for cars cost anywhere between $150 and $300. Over here on the left side of the steering wheel, you can see it is a heated steering wheel. All your cruise control over here, and then your collision alert sensors, if you can see there. So it basically, if you're coming up on something too fast on the highway or something like that, it'll alert you of that. And you can turn that on and off or change the settings. Bluetooth controls are over here. Controls for your heated and cooled front leather seats are there. Dual zone climate controls here. Controls for the back right there. This car is equipped with navigation, as you can see right there. This car does have the rear, that's just because you leave the remote inside, so it beeps at you there. This car does have the rear bench seat, which means it has the highest occupancy rating of any GMC Yukon. This particular one can hold 7 passengers in here very comfortably. And if you pull this, you can see your rear seats there as well. No, excuse me, that's actually it's 8 passenger seating. You can fit 3 across both the back rows. The rear row would be pretty tight, but 3 across this row, 3 across the back row. So you do have a total of 8 passengers that can fit in this, along with a lot of cargo. If you'd like to take a look at this car, you can come out and see it at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Keep checking out our inventory online at thomasata.com, or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much.